I'm quietly confident that Neil isn't giving anything away. Legends, welcome back to the channel. John here, and look what is here. Yes, it's my Proton Satria 1.5 LXI, and the day has finally arrived to take it for an MOT. Yeah, Neil's looking forward to seeing this one because actually the garage next door, DMC Motors, sold this car to the lady that I bought it from. So they kind of know the car. And they're expecting to have a good look at it. In this video then, let's take it for an MOT. It's going to be the first time I've driven the car on the public road. It's taxed, insured, it's not MOT'd, but hopefully by the end of this video it will be. We've dumped 10 litres of petrol in it, but it seems to be running, fingers crossed. Okay, come with us then, we'll have some fun and we'll take it for an MOT. Well, here we go then, the Satria, which, as you know, has had loads of problems, has run like a bag of nails. We've had fueling issues, we've had all sorts of problems with it. Dad's here. If I break down... Yeah, if I break down, I break down, eh?
Remember being gentle with that switch.
We'll be gentle.
Yeah, because if you pull it out much, the contact stick and then it's trying to work all the time.
Let's see if we can get an MOT on the Satria.
If you can actually get there, it'll be a challenge.
If we get there. See you later.
So, yeah, if it breaks down, scrap it.
If it breaks down, I'll scrap it. How about that? Let's go, let's go. Satria time. This is the one I've been looking forward to actually, because I've not driven this car. I've never driven it before. This is the first time driving it. Yeah, runs like shit. Runs like crap. Maybe trying to take it straight to an MOT test was a bad idea. I think what's happened is the fact that the battery has been off all this time. The fact that it's not had time to adjust and the injectors are a little bit... Here we go. We're all right. This woman's in the middle of the road. Get out the road. Silly woman. This Mercedes wants to do what he wants. Mad Max. So I'm in it then. It's me, well, 300 quid Proton Satria. You know the one. It was in a hedge. It had been left there to rot and die for 6 months. Dad spent 7 hours welding a big hole in it. It had electrical faults, it had injector faults, the battery was missing, the window didn't work, the bonnet hinge was broken. It needed a lot of love, it needed a lot of TLC, and now I'm bezzing through Lincolnshire's back roads in the car. Am I gonna break down on the way there? Who knows? Oh, it had mice in it, remember that? We're on the way to Neil for the MOT test. I'm really hoping this passes an MOT today. Really hoping. Because then, well then we can get it looking perfect. Once I know that it's gonna pass an MOT, that it drives, that it runs, it starts and it stops and it does everything that it should do, I can then do what I want to do with it, which is hopefully enjoy. Oh my God, there's a massive tractor in the way of the road. I can enjoy it. 1.5 litre Mitsubishi engine. This is going to be like stink. Rev counter. Listen to it. I'm in me Satria. Oh, yes. The back roads of Lincolnshire are feeling good. Great times in this. I'm having a great time. It's hot as hell. There's no aircon in this model. Let's get the blowers on. There we are. Yeah, this is fun. This is such a fun little hatchback. If I'd had to spend 500 quid just to bezz about in this for a few weeks, I'd have been happy. Oh! Oh, it's fast. It's really fast. I knew it would be. I knew it would be. Woo! And those brakes are sharp. That's good. That's good. That's good. There's a few little chitters from the plastics and all that sort of stuff. This is the one I've been wanting to drive. I've driven the 1.3 variant of this, and it's slow. It's pretty boring, actually. It feels, how do I put this? Old lady driving to town and back. But this, the 1.5 variant, feels hot hatch, feels boy racer. I can only imagine what the GTI feels like with that 1.8 litre engine, and I've not been lucky enough to drive one yet. So if you've got a Proton GTI Satria that you wouldn't mind me taking for a bit of a spin, let me know, because I would love to, absolutely love to take that for a spin. Let me know. Theo, young lad, told me about the car. He messaged me and says, John, friend of mine, or friend of my grandmother's, Barbara, has given up driving. She's had the car a few years, and it's been sat in a hedge for about 6 months. Now, the story was she'd been ill. She loved the little car, but she had to get something that she could drive that was a little bit easier due to her illness, and parked it up. Shane Boy came with me, as you know. We fished it out of a hedge, and it was running like a bag of rubbish. The initial plan was Dad was not going to go anywhere near this car. Best laid plans of mice and men, as you know, because it needed welding, it needed electrical faults sorting out, it needed injectors, it needed the brakes looking at, it needed all sorts of stuff. And it hadn't been running right. It hasn't been running very well. This is the first time I've driven it, but 300 quid, fished it out of a hedge, spent about £100 getting it fixed, getting it on the road. The most expensive thing I've put on this car is a window regulator, which cost me £44. No tyres, no brakes, we've just refurbed them. Some trim, a cassette deck. This car is fun. I'm so glad it's back on the road, because there's not many left, you know, these little Satrias, especially the 1.5 variants, especially the LXI. I hope it passes the MOT. We'll soon find out what Neil has to say. Lots of you have followed the progress on this car, lots of you. And I'm so glad that I spent the money and the time and the effort, with Dad of course, to get it out of that hedge and to try, at least try, to get it back on the road. What's going to happen with it long term? I don't know. I might put it in auction. I might raffle it. I might give it away. I might sell it. I might keep it for a bit and enjoy it, but I genuinely don't know what I'm going to do with this little Satria at the moment, because I do want a GTI. And you can't keep them all, can you? You can't keep all the Protons. I do want a Satria GTI, but find me a good one. Yes, Ben from Tasty Classics had one. Yes, he's tarted it up, and yes, it's okay. But that's not up to my standards. Not the work he's done. I mean, the starting point. I'm very picky, and I can afford to be picky with me Protons now, because I'm Mr. Proton, right? So I'm biding my time for a Satria GTI, but until then, I'm going to enjoy this, I think. I really hope it passes the MOT. Really hope it doesn't break down. I've driven my Black Knight today, I've driven my Impian today. Both are wonderful cars, but this has put a smile on my face, because it feels like a little go-kart on wheels. It really does feel just fun. It's fast. It's faster than a Micra. Obviously, it's a 1.5 litre. I wish I'd got a turbocharged version. Like a turbo Colt, because that's effectively what this is. It's a Colt. There's a Colt C2C actually. Come on, I've got places to be. Very fast indeed. Look at that. You can't go wrong with that. 0.01. So this is the first time I've actually been underneath the car. First time I've seen it on a ramp is when it's getting an MOT test. Remember, it was covered in about 6 inches of mud all the way round. So it's not, well, it's not too bad. And I've had, you can see where I've had my chassis washer on the underneath here. But I still need to get under there and we'll do a bit more cleaning. You can see where Dad's welded that floor panel. And that's what we've all been waiting for. The other side is, well, not posh rotten. So Dad's fixed the holes. I'm pleasantly surprised as to the fact that it's not rotten. This all needs a wire brush. Now, for those of you that have said the exhaust looks a bit too long, John,
I thought that.
AISB, made in Malaysia. Could it be the original exhaust? So the worst bit about it now is this, which I'm going to have to address. Only surface though. Well, that's a good start. It started back up. Really is the moment of truth. I'm quietly confident that Neil isn't giving anything away. Well, if I wasn't beaming on the way to the MOT test centre, I certainly am going to be all the way home now. A clean sweep with no advisories, no problems at all. Underneath this, looking good. Now Dad's done the work. No issues identified by Neil. And well, I didn't break down there or on the way back. So it's passed. Been off the road since last October, November, been in a hedge, £100 about spent to get it back on the road, and it's got a ticket, 12 months MOT, 42,083 miles, this little 2004 Proton Satria 1.5 LXI. What's next? Who knows? We'll soon find out. I might sell it, I might raffle it, I might put it in an auction and you can buy it. I might just enjoy it for a bit. And daily, a little hot hatch Proton. But I still want my GTI. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, thumbs up please. If you've enjoyed the Proton Satria project, let me know in the comments down below. There's going to be more to come because I've got to clean it, we've got to detail it, I'm going to get the dent man out to it, we're going to get that paint addressed, I've got to get some floor mats for it, and I'm going to try and find some alloy wheels for this car, which will change the look. I'm on a bit of a road trip in the next few days. So loads more Satria stuff still to come. It's not the end yet, don't worry. But if you've enjoyed it so far, comment down below, like, subscribe, yeah, hopefully you got as much excitement out of driving this car with me today than I did. Till next time, have a great day. Thanks to Dad for all his hard work. Thanks to everyone for all their kindness and generosity. Oh, I'm going to go pick Mrs. JC up from work in this today. She'll love that, won't she? Till next time, have a great day. See you later. There are so many more Proton related videos on the channel, and I've actually selected a couple that I think you might like here on this page. Give them a click to watch them now. Don't forget to subscribe for more Proton fun and lots more videos coming soon.